Look at that tongue go.
Oh, we might fly now. He's getting ready.
Oh boy. You need some energy, huh, baby? Go, baby, go. Eat it up. Good job. He's getting it on the back, too. Okay, here's some more.
You got to see this. I have never seen, I mean, they move so fast, I've never seen their little tongues.
Oh, I have.
They just don't always seem very trusting, you know, because they move
Well,
so
yeah.
fast.
I don't know if you can see it, Becky.
I see him, I see him, I see him.
Do you see the tongue?
Yes,
Look at that.
Oh, good job, baby. You feeling better? I don't know if this is the correct mix, but
ran it to the rescue.
Honey, sugar is sugar.
it'll get you to the next spot, maybe.
So
He likes it on the backside better. What are you doing? There. Is that good?
So you have it's a stick. At first I thought it was a straw.
Oh, that's amazing.
Are you feeling better
my
now?
goodness.
You're feeling better?
God is so creative.
Okay.
Fun. I never realized.
Okay now, baby,
I thought it
don't
was
go
more
in
the-
classrooms. They're not
So
good for your
is it
health.
the tongue that's getting the nectar, or just the beak?
The tongue.
That's a
I
good
didn't
little,
really
good little
thought
video too of it. That is awesome.
Oh, see, us here at Coastline Bible Day School, we care for all God's creatures, huh?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Even
You
for
feeling
the
better?
smallest ones.
I don't know. Can you get in there? Whoops.
It's all right. It's washable. At least he's moving. There he goes.
Look at
He likes the stick.
I'll step back and see if he's okay. Step back for good.
That is absolutely.
his tongue is like going like crazy.
It's going inside the pipe.
Aw. There you go, precious.
How long was he in the classroom?
For a couple hours, right?
Oh, really?
Well, since I was
Oh, wow.
just
Okay.
a little bit after I got in here, he started whooping in there.
What do you think, baby?
Going back and forth, wearing himself out.
Oh. That's so funny.
Aw.
That is absolutely amazing.
There you go, sweetie.
It's still sticking out at the very end.
Here, come on. Finish up. You gotta take off flying now. Don't get a splinter on your tongue. There, are you better? How you doing? You want some more? Let's see, are you ready to move around? Come on. Come on.
It's got a buzz.
Yeah. I wish he'd stand up, but of course they
know.
don't really.
They do stand.
Yeah.
Well, you can actually get them to where they will come onto your hand. You can feed them from your hand. I've seen somebody do that.
I think I've seen
You
that.
can on a show or
YouTube,
something. Yeah. I mean, it's like you can, yeah, you can.
You
My new
You
mom
ready to go travel? Yeah.